Hey guys, and welcome to episode 3 of Suggested Software by Josh's Computer Channel. And today we are going to go through and show Unchecky. What is Unchecky, you might ask? Glad you asked. Unchecky is a bit of software that you install to your computer. And do you ever get those pesky, like when you're installing, I'm trying to think of a good one. Adobe, for example, like Adobe Reader. I'll show you. I think that's one with it where like it has the checkbox for like all the potentially unwanted programs, otherwise known as PUPs. It doesn't always mean they're definitely unwanted. It just means they're possibly unwanted, hence the word potentially. But that's going off topic here. That basically gets like the junkware that would come with some of this software. It keeps it off of the computer. So I think as usual, it'll be better for me to show it to you guys. So first thing you're going to do here is you're going to open up your internet browser. And it appears it's opened up rather quickly. I am going to go ahead and set this as the default on this virtual machine just because that's what I normally use with it. So what we'll do here, the first thing we want to do here is we're going to go to www.unchecky.com and then hit enter. And then it should bring you to a page like this. So, tired of unchecking related offers while installing software? Have you ever felt while installing software that you could read through all this? Too much work for me to read. But, and by the way, guys, I'm just going to throw this disclaimer out as usual. I'm not getting paid by Unchecky or the makers of Unchecky, whoever they are. This is just software that I like to use. So, let's go on with it here. We'll hit the download right there. And then it should save a file right here to the downloads folder. So you could either click on it right there for those of you that don't know. It's really just a matter of going into the folder here, going into the file explorer there, and then you would click on downloads. And then it should show up right there. Just let it finish downloading here. So it looks like it's downloaded, so we could actually just click on it right there and it should open it up. So you could just click on run right here. And then you could hit install. And then you have to hit yes on the user account control, so we'll do that. That's all there is to it. So just show you what the software looks like if you were to click right down there, or if you went to minimize this, there's also an icon to access it right there. So really there's not much to it in the settings. Don't display. You could tell it not to do this and not to put the little icon right here, or you could tell it don't display warning tooltips. Like I think the warning tooltips would be like if you install something and then it brings up the little notification saying it unchecks it. I like to leave all that as standard though. What does advanced settings have to it? So you would hit advanced settings, hit yes. Disable automatic updates, don't use host file rules. I like to keep all this alone here. Home, I mean really that's all it is. You could tell it to suspend, or you could check the activity log. So let me just show it to you in action. I think if we were to install, so let's go click up there, and then we can just type in into Google. Well, let's just go to Google real quick just for the heck of it. So we'll just go to Google there. Okay, so now that we're in Google, we could just Google. Just type, we'll Adobe Reader download, which would actually bring you to the Acrobat Reader here, is what it is now. So just click, so we can click on the first link. I'm not showing Adobe, I'm just showing you guys the example here. So it'd be a getadobe.com/reader there. And by the way, I will attach a link for the other thing there. But yeah, optional offer here. So you'll see it unchecked. These would have been checked, but Unchecky unchecked them for us. So, and even if you try to do it, it will just give you the warning there. I like to hit cancel there. And yeah. So yeah, that's just me showing you the software here. So that's all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching episode 3 of Suggested Software by Josh's Computer Tech channel. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up to encourage me to make more of these videos. If you put a thumbs down, you didn't like the video, please tell me why in the comment section right below this video here. Don't forget to subscribe, so that way you could get live updates when I upload videos here. And that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you in the next installment of Suggested Software by Josh's Computer Tech channel. My phone is going crazy.